Let's talk about the AZ-900 Azure Fundamentals Masterclass by FIT. Many Azure courses explain networking, IP addresses, virtual networks, and cloud concepts as though everybody already understands them, but many beginners don't. This course follows Microsoft's latest AZ-900 exam objectives and is designed not just to help you pass the exam, but to help you truly understand Microsoft Azure practically. We will cover cloud computing, Azure architecture, virtual machines, networking, storage, security, monitoring, governance, and Azure management tools. Every lesson connects theory to real Azure portal demonstrations so that you gain practical skills, real understanding, and the confidence to work with Azure in real-world environment. Our goal is simple: to make Azure understandable for everybody while preparing you confidently for certification success. Follow the link below for access to AZ-900 exam vouchers with retake and Gmetrics access codes. And now, let's begin with lesson 1. What is cloud computing?